They let me pick. Did I ever tell you that? Choose whichever Spartan I wanted. You know me. I did my research, watched as you became the soldier we needed you to be. Like the others, you were strong and swift and brave. A natural leader. But you had something they didn't. Something no one saw but me. Can you guess? Luck. Was I wrong?
This ain't good.
Damn. How far did he fall?
2 kilometers, easy.
Stay sharp. Gorman?
His armor's locked up. Gel layer could have taken most of the impact. I don't know, Sergeant Major.
Radio for Vito. Heavy lift gear. We're not leaving them here.
Yeah, you're not.
Oh, crazy fool. Why do you always jump? One of these days, you're gonna land on something as stubborn as you are. And I don't do bits and pieces. Where is she, Chief? Where's Cortana?
Don't make a girl a promise if you know you can't keep it.
She stayed behind.
Corporal, make it quick.
Sorry, sir. Your armor's still in partial lockdown. Look up here, sir. Okay. Now down here? Good. Everything checks out, Sergeant Major.
Kick off the training wheels, Corporal. He's good to go. Chief, wait! The Arbiter's with us! Come on now. We've got enough to worry about without you two trying to kill each other.
Were it so easy. We must go. The brutes have our scent.
Then they must love the smell of green. First squad, you're my scouts. Move out, quiet as you can. Bravo team, this is Johnson. We got him. Fall back to the extraction point. Over.
Roger that. Reynolds out.
Sounded close.
Johnson, you be advised. Hostiles are on the move.
I've got eyes on a brute pack. Over.
Say again, Gunny, you're breaking up.
Sergeant Major, Phantom inbound.
We stick together and we're gonna get spotted. Let's split up. Meet back at the LZ. Chief, go with the Arbiter. Head toward the river.
Spread out, you whelps. Find them.
Up ahead. Single brute, plus backup.
Fired well! Alright, here they come. Be ready. Tango, he's way down! On the double! Stay on him! Stay on him! I'm gonna tear you Give them hell, people!
These brutes are tough.
Blunts ain't no slouches either.
The Brunt's newfound courage is the fear. When we are victorious, all who serve the prophets will be punished.
Pelicans are en route, Chief, but I can't raise Bravo. You find them, get them to the extraction point.
Come. The landing zone is this way. Tell me its location.
Kiss my ass.
Don't let them get away!
True chieftain. Phantom. Pinned us down. Killed my man.
Area secure.
Ah, it's just too damn easy. I'm beginning to think we can show these guys the error of their way.
The river! Hurry! Again, the brutes show their weakness.
Could you sacrifice me to complete your mission? Could you watch me die?
Sir, you okay?
Your vitals just pinged KIA.
Chief, Pelicans are at the river. We got company, so hustle up.
Grenades! Blow them to bits!
Open fire!
Hold on. Got a contact. Banshees! Fast and low!
Break off, now!
I'm here!
Watch yourself! Off the thruster! Hang on! Get a hold of her! Negative! We're going down!
Banshees will return. Hurry! Back into the jungle.
Knew I should have brought more grenades.
Chief, can you hear me? My bird's down. Half a click down from your position.
Jackals, on the ridge. Looks like they got carbines.
Ah! Never knew what hit him, sir!
Steel yourself.
Open fire!
Come on, you dumb apes! You want breakfast? You gotta catch it.
Right! Right here!
blasting!
That beat has...
Coming at ya!
Watch out! Grenade! Run away!
For help. I'm coming.
Echo 5-1, this is Crow's Nest. Echo 5-1, please respond. Hocus, 5-1 is down. Divert for emergency evac. Over.
I'll get you, you big
Be careful.
Sergeant Major went this way, Chief. Through the cave.
See how they bait their trap? I will help you spring it.
What were you shooting? Okay! Hey! Same team!
Kill the demon! I'm going after him. Here he is. Don't let him escape. The pack will... Unworthy of my blades.
That's how we do it in the Marine Corps. This'll get you out of there.
This isn't as fun as it looks. Cut the power.
Bruce, we're gonna gut it, sir.
Gotta get back out there. We're even, long as we're only counting today. Kilo 2-3, what's your ETA?
Imminent, Sergeant. Find some cover. Got a clear path.
Roger that, Hocus. Friendly gunship coming in hot. Hocus! Phantom!
I see him. Stand by.
Shotgun.
Up on!
IFF confirmed. Contact is Bellic and dropship, Kilo 2-3, over.
Roger that. What's the word, Kilo 2-3?
Sierra 117 on board. Request priority clearance. Over.
Deck's yours. Come on down.
Sorry for the tight squeeze. Tell the commander her ace is in the hole.
Hey, check it out. No way.
Spartan? For real? You better not be. Oh man, he's here. We're gonna be
Where did you find him?
Napping, out back.
I'll bet. It's good to see you, Chief.
Likewise, ma'am.
Let's get you up to speed. The Prophet of Truth's ships breached the lunar perimeter, smashed what was left of the home fleet. Terrestrial casualties from the subsequent bombardment were extreme. Truth could have landed anywhere, but he committed all his forces here, East Africa, the ruins of New Mombasa. Then they started digging.
What about Halo?
We stopped it, but only temporarily. Now the Prophet of Truth is looking for something called the Ark, where he'll be able to fire all the Halo rings. If he succeeds, humanity, the Covenant, every sentient being in the galaxy.
The rings will kill us all.
Ma'am, I have Lord Hood.
Patch him through.
Good news, Commander Keyes?
Good as it gets, sir.
So I see. What's your status, son?
Green, sir.
Glad to hear it. Commander's come up with a good plan, but without you, I wasn't sure we could pull it off.
Truth's ships are clustered above the excavation site, and his infantry has deployed anti-aircraft batteries around the perimeter. But if we neutralize one of the batteries, punch a hole in Truth's defenses...
I'll initiate a low-level strike. Hit him right where it hurts. I only have a handful of ships, Master Chief. It's a big risk, but I'm confident...
Hell, not again.
Emergency generators, now!
Shielding failed. They're down and charging.
As soon as they're up, re-establish contact with Lord Hood. Let him know...
All of you vermin, cowering in the dirt, thinking, what, I wonder, that you might escape the coming fire? No, your world will burn until its surface is but glass, and not even your demon will live to creep, blackened from its hole to mar the reflection of our passage, the culmination of our journey. For your destruction is the will of the gods, and I am their instrument.
Cocky bastard just loves to run his mouth.
Does he usually mention me?
Give the order, we're closing shop.
Ma'am?
We're about to get hit.
All personnel.
They're wounded.
Code Alpha
We're getting all of them
prepare
out.
for immediate evacuation.
I have to carry him myself.
Ma'am, squad leaders are requesting a rally point. Where should they go?
To war.
We just lost the perimeter cameras.
Motion trackers?
They're down or we're not receiving. Can't tell.
Any of our birds squawking?
No, ma'am. Wait, Overwatch has contacts. Phantoms closing on our position.
Any birds less than 5 minutes out? Bring them in. Tell everything else to scatter.
Aye, aye.
Never thought we'd have this many wounded.
Pelicans are gonna take extra time to load.
We knew they'd find us eventually. But we have a plan. Let's make it happen.
Let's get out there, sir!
Arbiter and I will guard the ops center. Don't worry about the commander, Chief. I got it. But the Marines downstairs could use your help.
Follow me, sir.
Perimeter's this way.
Come on, sir. I'll show you the way.
The base was built for some 20th century war. It's full of old tech, like these door controls.
Get those turrets up! Watch your fields of fire!
How'd they find us? Probably just smelled you, man. Hey, bite me. I'm sick of hiding anyways.
Point of entry, best assessment.
Hangar Sergeant.
Agreed. Master Chief, get there.
We're with you, Chief.
Yeah, get some.
Following, sir.
Chief? Good. This channel is secure.
My fire teams are spread thin. We can't hold out forever. I need that hangar cleared for evac ASAP.
Those brutes secure the hangar. We won't be able to get out those. Hold firm, Marine! Get down! Stop cleaning up my garbage, huh? Stay on him and finish him off! He's tearing him to pieces! Good work, mate! Whoa, that'll leave him, huh? Out of my sight! Doing that again!
Pelicans can't launch until the hangar's clear!
Chew on this!
You got it, Chief. Let's clean him up!
Great work! I got a turret! Well, that wasn't so hard. That's how we do it in the Marine Corps! So sorry.
Chief, Op Center, double time. The brutes are pressing hard.
Hey, you hear that?
Yeah, and I don't like it.
Attention. Hostiles reported outside the barracks.
under attack. All available combat teams respond.
Lead the way!
Anyone in the barracks, I need a sit rep. Now.
Sir, this way!
No! Coming out of the vents!
Line them up! Line them up!
What the hell are these things, Sergeant?
Drones! A whole swarm!
Use the button!
One more for you.
Make work!
Chief! Come stand in front of
If I
me!
try to hook up a timer, it might go off by itself.
Johnson. You might want to put that out. Chief, have a look. A little going-away gift for the Covenant. We've linked it to smaller charges throughout the base. Johnson, soon as the evacuation is complete, start the timer.
Understood.
Good luck, everyone. See you on the last Pelican out.
Follow me, Chief. Brutes have taken the barracks. Marines are trapped inside. Those apes ain't much for mercy, Chief. We both know what they do to prisoners. Get to the barracks. Save those men. Then escort them to the landing pad for evac.
A fresh scent must be close. No! Get away! Follow me. It's in cover! Try a grenade!
serve.
Half-wit insects. The prophets use you like they used me. Reject their lies. And else, or all your hives will perish. Spark, the brutes have taken
Where'd they all go?
Look there! You cannot escape! Stop! We wait here. I found them! A gift for you,
Save your fire for the brutes.
Is that all of them?
We did all we could. Let us move the survivors up to the hangar. There is a lift outside.
Commander, we lost the ops center. Brutes attacked in force. Couldn't hold them off.
We're falling back to the hangar. But don't wait for us.
What should I do, ma'am?
Hold position. I'm not leaving without him.
I've got movement above and below. Brutes. They've got jump packs.
They're going after the thrusters. Shake them off, Lieutenant.
Drones, go! I'll cover you. Roots, in the ops center. They disarmed the bomb. Sorry, Commander, there were too many. Even for me.
Chief, get back to the ops center. Kill those brutes. Rearm the bomb. I've got to get these men out of here. But I'll radio with another exit. Good luck.
You will be the protectors of Earth and all her colonies.
Chief. Arm that bomb.
That did it, Chief. Bomb's armed.
We got your exit. A service elevator in the hangar. Head downstairs, cut through the caves. to the cave, Chief.
There will be a great deal of hardship on the road ahead. You will become the best we can make you.
There isn't much time, Chief. Find that elevator.
This place will become your home. This place will become your tomb.